Can you talk about your job as a Foley artist?
Yeah, so for those of the people that don't know what Foley is, it's actually doing sound and sync. So I will create sound effects and sync with the picture while it's happening. It sounds kind of crazy, and you don't just have to see it to really visualize what it is. But basically, if an actor is walking on camera in the dirt or cement, in tennis shoes, whatever kind of shoes they're wearing, I will be walking that character in sync on that surface with those particular shoes on. We cover all footsteps of TV shows, motion pictures. We also cover all the background people that are walking around. So we cover every single footstep from start to finish.
Oh, wow. So do you have partner work with you?
I do. I have two partners, Chris, who is my Foley partner, and Mary Jo, who is our mixer. So she's sort of the magic. She makes the magic happen. And Chris and I, we work together on the stage. We each divide the characters up of who we're going to walk, and we stick with that character for the whole show so that we get a feeling for how that actor walks or how that character walks. Maybe the character has a limp, maybe they're drunk walking down the street. So we have to convey all of that emotion or situation just with the shoes we wear and how we walk.
So I've watched one of your documentary,
Okay.
and you mentioned that people take sound for granted.
They do. I
Yeah.
think they do take sound for granted because they think that while they're watching the film that all that sound was recorded on set. And some of it is recorded, but sometimes the actors wear felt on the bottom of their shoes so that the shoes don't make a sound because they really want to get the dialogue. They want to get the actor's dialogue and emotion because an actor will have to come in sometimes and redo their lines. And when they do that, all that production sound is taken away. So we have to really come in and do even just the cloth that they're wearing. We have to make the cloth sound so that it sounds natural. It doesn't sound like artificial sound when they come in.